What's up, everybody? This is Jason from Red Island Photography, located in beautiful Summerside, Prince Edward Island, and today's video is going to focus on Thunder Cove. And basically what I'm doing is a series of videos over the summer just to showcase the island and its beauty for people who can't be here or would like to be here or curious about it or whatever. The idea came to me from people reaching out to me from away, basically people that live here seasonally or whatever else, or people that used to live here that really just wanted to see their properties or different locations, and because they can't be here and they just wanted to see it, and I figured I'm filming it, so why not just make a series out of it so everybody can enjoy it. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know places you'd like to see, and I'll try to get to it for you. And yeah, so that's it. And I'm comfortable behind the camera, but not in front of it.